Doctor, I want to talk about this pressure of meditation. It's a beautiful tool. I've seen it change people's life, bring them peace, and I've also seen people struggle with it. And now it's
Correct?
becoming more of a guilt kind of a thing. Oh, you're stressed in life because you don't meditate. You're
Oh,
not getting better. You have anger because you don't meditate. I have a very different opinion on this. There are some people who don't need to meditate. Like you rightly
correct.
said, they find meditation in their work, in service, when they're doing, and some people use it as a tool. There's no right or wrong. You had done a beautiful video on this where you spoke about the same thing, like, empower people with thinking. Is this working for me? Great, do it. If not, there are other options. But people are now putting themselves into, I can't meditate. That means I'm an angry person. They link. And now the subconscious mind believes you're angry because you don't meditate. But it's completely different. I would
Very
love for
true,
you to talk
very true.
about that.
You see, understand, actually in yoga, meditation comes on the seventh step. First step is don't deal with what you should not do with outside world. Second, what you should do with yourself. Third is asanas, then pranayam, then going inwards, pratyahara, then concentration, and then meditation. All these are internal.
So if you've not
So
done the
it is,
first one, meditation
no,
is going to be
no.
very
It will
difficult
be
anyway.
very wrong, very
Yeah.
wrong. And so those who are into depression should
Never
never
meditate.
ever meditate. Their depression will go further.
Yeah.
Those who are unhappy in life, somebody has cheated me, and this the mind is full of those negative thoughts. They may not be into depression, but mind is full of negative thoughts. They should not meditate. Meditate, you are sitting silently. All more negativity you are cooking further. That would hurt you, harm you, and then you will go into severe depression. So don't do that. And those who are physically sick, I mean, sickness means you can't sit only properly, pain and ache in body. Now, what are you meditating? You are meditating, your attention continuously goes on your pain. You are actually not meditating, just showing people that you are meditating, closing your eyes. But they should not do. Severe arthritic condition. Never meditate because you will sit at one place and create problem.
Yeah.
That's why we teach meditation of various types to people. But understand, meditation is not to be done in the beginning. In the beginning, person must have some mastery over body, little more flexible body. Our body spine needs flexibility.
Yes.
Because in spine we have vertebral column like this. In between vertebrae there are nerves coming out which go to the entire body.
Communication.
Now the spine, if it is stiff, nerves get pressed, pain and ache, no circulation, no nutrition going into every part, and all that takes place. So yogis say spine should be kept flexible. So bend forward, bend backward, bend sideways, twist, go pull upward your spine, pull yourself up, touch your hands up and downwards, upside down. So 6 ways in which you exercise your spine. Second area which yogis give lots of importance is your stomach, your navel area, where you should see that it is soft and in and not protruding out. No additional fat on your stomach because internally all the organs are there in the stomach. Small and large intestines, how big our intestines
Yeah.
are. And liver and kidney and all those things are here. So this area, so certain asanas to core exercises are important, which person should be doing. And extremities asana. Whenever you are sitting, sit with crossed legs. Nowadays we sit on the chair, but it is quite tiring. You sit with legs up, whenever you are on the sofa or anywhere, put your legs up and sit. That would relax your heart also. The first lesson we tell heart patient is learn to put your legs up closer to your heart and sit. And that itself helps them. So such things yogis give importance to. So that is one. Then you go further to watch your breaths, because breath and mind, they go together. Chale vate chalam chittam. Mind and breath go together. Mentally you are disturbed, breath goes fast. You are sad, breath goes erratic. Watch your breath. You can't control your mind, but you can control your breaths. Learn to control your breaths, and that helps. And then comes little the place of meditation once you go internal. Don't just suddenly jump on meditation. That's my very strong view. And I have seen many after meditation, they go into such a bad state that they have to take psychiatric treatment for long, long hours, for few many years, which should not be done. In meditation, sometimes you will feel you are just sitting and you experience some colors, or you see some good fragrance, or you have some good taste in your mouth and you are enjoying that taste. Such experience come very fast, when you know how to just quieten your mind and sit. But then people get stuck. Today I saw lovely fragrance, I felt. Now tomorrow when I do meditation, I want that fragrance will not come. Because my state of body and mind is different tomorrow.
Yes.
Bodies, we are continuously changeful. So then they get stuck. And then meditation is not giving me, I can't do meditation properly, and so on and so forth. Understand, whatever you can experience, do and leave it. Don't continue it, that you will have it again and again, the same experience. Once experience is given and that's it. That okay, you know how you are meditating, so go on meditating. Meditation is not the thing. It is very good. A person can sit quietly at one place and just see that too many thoughts are coming, just calm your thoughts down. There is a famous example that if you are near a pond and your ring fell down in the pond, but people are moving around, cattle are coming and going, the water is very muddy, you won't be able to see your ring. But once nobody is there, or water settles down, calms down, then you can see what is there in the bottom and you can pick up your ring. So this calming down, no thoughts of mind is very important. Mind's job is to think, so mind is going to think. We have to just see that we become clear. What thought and what I want to do, how I want to pursue that. So first calm your mind down. And once it is calm, then you are clear how to go about in life. Horse is running very fast. You can't train your horse. Don't go in that direction, not possible. First stop the horse. Stopping, and then giving him direction, go that way. That has to happen with our mind, stopping.
That's beautiful.
So that could be done. And how do you stop? How do you stop? Breath, control of breath.
Slow down.
One. So slowly it slows down. And then be in that blissful state. Keep in touch with nature. Listen to the kal flow of water. We have a place in the institute where water is flowing and you just sit. That's a meditation place. Some good flower whose fragrance is coming, just smell that and sit. Or just sit and see the touch of air on your body. Meditation on your skin. These are 5 sensory organs. Meditate on any of these organs. Skin, where the breeze is touching. If you sit quietly, you will feel the breeze is touching here or here or here. Just feel that and sit. You feel that it's a touch of God, touch of nature, touch of big thing, and you enjoy and sit. So these are the ways to do meditation. One subject, listen to the sound, we call it as dispanda. Listen to the sound, all the sounds around. Here it's a silent place, but still if you sit quietly, some sound you will feel in the atmosphere. Listen to the sound and sit quietly. That's very good meditation. Sound is a very good medium for concentration. That's why in our culture we have singing music, and all that going on. Sound, if it's sound. So these are all ways, and we should be meditating slowly to see that unnecessary thoughts don't come. There is a strict rule I want to tell everybody, that thinking is mind's job. So mind is going to think. But there should be a discipline. Thinking for what? Something of the past, don't think, it's waste of time. Future, again, don't think, you don't even know what is it. Present right now, what am I supposed to do? How am I going to go? Think on that. So that rule has to be followed. Don't waste time and think. But the rule is still further. Thinking and action should be parallel. Think for action. Just thinking has no meaning.
There's no meaning,
You create lots of planning in your mind, but do nothing. Useless. Just action without thinking is equally wrong. So thinking for action, they should go parallel. That's how we should live our life.
It's amazing.